Dinosaurs have fascinated people for many years, but what if they're not alone? What if there are animals that are even older and more terrifying, hiding somewhere beneath our feet? If this is the case, why hasn't anyone found them yet? Join us today as we explore some of the most intriguing mysteries from our planet's distant past and uncover the secrets that lie hidden beneath the Earth. What if someone was watching us? Even though science has come a long way since Darwin's day, there's still so much about the history of our planet that we don't know. We've been able to learn more about dinosaurs thanks to fossils, but what else might be out there? Some people think that there could be giant lizards or even alligators lurking just below the surface of the Earth, waiting to be discovered. It sounds like something out of a horror movie, but it could be true. Who knows? Scientists have recently discovered a number of fossils from the Cretaceous period, which was 145 million years ago. These discoveries have shed light on how animals lived and moved around the globe during that time. But what if there are other animals from even earlier periods that we haven't found yet? The idea of finding a creature that's millions of years old is exciting, but it's also daunting. Many experts believe that if such an animal did exist, it would have been discovered by now. However, the truth is that we've only explored a small fraction of the Earth's surface, and there's still so much more to discover. With advances in technology and new discoveries being made all the time, who knows what we might find next? Perhaps one day soon we'll stumble upon evidence of a creature that's been hiding beneath our feet all along, secrets beneath our feet. While exploring caves in central China, scientists discovered a number of ancient artifacts, including bones, stone tools, and pottery. Some of these items date back as far as 200,000 years, making them some of the oldest human-made objects ever found in the region. The discovery of these artifacts suggests that humans have been living in China for much longer than previously thought. It also provides insight into the types of tools and weapons they were using during that time. Additionally, the presence of pottery indicates that early humans in China had developed sophisticated techniques for creating durable and functional objects. Overall, these findings have significantly advanced our understanding of early human life in China and have shed light on the complex history of the region. In recent years, scientists have been exploring the depths of the ocean floor using advanced sonar technology. They've discovered a vast underwater world full of canyons, mountains, and other geological features that were previously unknown. One of the most remarkable discoveries has been the discovery of giant underwater volcanoes. These volcanoes are so tall that if they were located on land, they would be visible from space. Scientists are still trying to determine the age of these volcanoes, but they believe some may be hundreds of millions of years old. The existence of these underwater giants suggests that our planet is much more active than we previously thought, and that there may be other undiscovered geological features hidden beneath the ocean's surface, hidden beneath the ground. In addition to the natural wonders that can be found beneath the Earth's surface, there are also man-made structures that have been lost to time. In some cases, these structures can provide valuable insights into the history of human civilization. For example, archaeologists recently discovered the ruins of an ancient city in Israel that dates back to the time of Jesus Christ. The city was buried in volcanic ash thousands of years ago and was only uncovered recently due to erosion. As they continue to excavate the site, archaeologists hope to learn more about daily life in the time of Jesus and gain a better understanding of the historical context of the New Testament. Another fascinating discovery was made in Egypt, where scientists found a secret tunnel beneath the Great Pyramid of Giza. The tunnel is over 100 feet long and was likely used to transport building materials to the top of the pyramid. It's believed that the tunnel was used during the construction of the pyramid around 2,500 years ago, and may have been covered up to protect the pharaoh's burial chamber. The discovery of the tunnel has raised many questions about the engineering and construction techniques used to build the pyramids, and scientists are still working to uncover its full history. Giant tracks. Over the years, paleontologists have discovered many dinosaur footprints in the western United States. These tracks provide valuable insight into the behavior and movement of these ancient creatures. One of the most remarkable discoveries was made in Utah, where scientists found a fossilized trackway that dates back 150 million years. The trackway is over 1,000 feet long and contains the footprints of a group of dinosaurs. Scientists are still studying the tracks to learn more about how the dinosaurs were moving and interacting with their environment. In addition to dinosaur tracks, scientists have also discovered fossilized burrows that were created by animals that lived millions of years ago. These burrows provide a unique window into the behavior and ecology of extinct species. By studying fossilized burrows, scientists can learn how animals moved through their environment, how they interacted with each other, and how they adapted to changing conditions over time. These burrows are incredibly detailed and can preserve evidence of the animal's feeding habits, reproductive behavior, and even social interactions. One of the most amazing examples of a fossilized burrow was discovered in Wyoming, where a team of paleontologists found the preserved burrow of a dinosaur. The burrow is over 100 feet long and contains a series of tunnels and chambers that were used by the dinosaur for nesting and rearing its young. The discovery of the burrow has provided valuable insights into the behavior and ecology of dinosaurs and has helped scientists better understand their role in the ecosystem. It's important to note that while many of these discoveries have been made in the United States, similar sites can be found all over the world. From Argentina to China, scientists are constantly uncovering new fossils that shed light on the history of life on Earth. The Davalos sea monster. The Davalos sea monster is a mysterious creature that's said to inhabit the depths of the ocean off the coast of Davalos, California. Legends of the sea monster date back to the early 1900s, when fishermen began reporting sightings of a large, serpentine-like creature with multiple heads. The creature was described as being dozens of feet long with green or black scales and the ability to breathe underwater and on land. Despite numerous reported sightings, no conclusive evidence of the Davalos sea monster's existence has ever been found. Some believe that the creature may actually be a type of oarfish, a large marine fish that can grow to be over 26 feet long. However, others argue that the Davalos sea monster is a distinct species that has yet to be identified. The mystery of the Davalos sea monster continues to capture the imaginations of many, and it remains an enduring legend of the California coast. Giant ground sloth. The giant ground sloth is an extinct species of sloth that lived in North and South America during the Pleistocene epoch. The sloth was a massive creature that could grow to be over 11 feet tall and weigh more than 2 tons. It had a long, prehensile tail that it used to grasp branches and leaves, and its claws were so large that they could easily rip apart trees. The giant ground sloth was a herbivore, and it's believed that it spent its days in trees and its nights on the ground. The sloth's extinction is thought to have been caused by a combination of factors, including climate change and competition for resources with other large mammals. The giant ground sloth remains one of the most fascinating creatures to have ever roamed the Americas, and its legacy lives on in popular culture today. Living dinosaur. The idea of a living dinosaur is a popular one in movies and TV shows, but the reality is that all dinosaurs went extinct over 65 million years ago. However, there are some animals that resemble dinosaurs more than others. One such animal is the Komodo dragon, a large lizard that lives on the Indonesian island of Komodo. The Komodo dragon is the largest living species of lizard and can grow to be over 10 feet long. Its ancestors are believed to have arrived on the island from mainland Asia several centuries ago, and it's since evolved into a unique species. The Komodo dragon is a carnivore, and it feeds on a variety of animals, including deer, water buffalo, and even other dragons. It's also known for its ability to regenerate lost body parts, including its tail and limbs. While the Komodo dragon isn't technically a dinosaur, it does share some similarities with these ancient creatures. Both are reptiles and both are at the top of their respective food chains. And while dinosaurs roamed the Earth over 65 million years ago, the Komodo dragon is still alive and well today, unveiling the secrets of the past. Whether it's unearthing ancient artifacts or discovering fossilized tracks, the thrill of discovery is unlike anything else. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and who knows what you might find. You never know what secrets the Earth might be hiding. Just remember to stay safe while you're down there. You never know what you might unearth. From giant sea monsters to overgrown lizards, the possibilities are endless. But in the end, it's the journey that matters most. So grab your shovel and get ready to dig into the mysteries of the past. Who knows what secrets you might uncover?